kurigirira hamugambisi wa polisi omuchange cha East Rwenzori Superintendent of Police Nelson Tumushime obwinazobu bukabahusha hamushanju gw'ekiro ekiro ekya Kasese neba Christmas. Tumushime nagira ngo abantu babiri bakwatirwe okuyambaho polisi mu kucondoza akufa kw'abojo babiri abari kugira ngo bakaterwa mpaka barigira mu magara gensi.
We registered 2 homicides. One occurred in Majengo, where Kambale Elfaz, commonly known as Simon, was murdered. He was stabbed on the right collar bone. We have one suspect in custody by the name Akandwanaho Blyton to help us in investigations.
Ibyo bikiryaho umugambizi wa polisi Nelson Tumushime yashoborera ngo izuba niryo rumwe hari ubutandu yabeyireho yarigireho trailer okutomera boda ibiri icyarigireho ababintu bavuga boda okuferaho.
We registered a fatal crash in Hima division in Kasese district. The crash involved a trailer registration number UBH003/H and UAW 853/M. Scania trailer by make and the 2 motorcycles registration number UFC 310/P, UFC 483/V. The fatal crash occurred at Rimi Bridge along Kasese Fort Portal Road. In this road crash, we registered 2 deaths. 2 people, the riders of these motorcycles, lost their lives.
The night of 25th, 2 bodies were also brought from Hima police, which people were involved in a road traffic accident in the night of 25th. We are now at the mortuary doing postmortem for these 2 bodies.
Mshachi witu yagambaho n'abanyabuzari babojo babiraba abarigira mu magara gensi bwa nyuma yo ku Rwanda Omubaara gandaba babereko busasi abo kuferwa abana bato izoba rumwe ngo ubona barwando mwishi
nabere ngo alo musukulu waye ayo washyambwera makana bwate bwana oloholo mabere tubaneka kunde Rwanda ati buwoyi nde iwe makwanende ati ya mbere Godwin ndibwa makwana cyatu banombo bamusindire kwana namabye ngaholekerere ngashabanishe shimwe namabana kwana ni aramutseka iri aramutsenda ibali amutsenda naribwa mungana yivula naramusukulu wayi kwa kwiriatya
gasha kwa Gerard Muhindo Abaskai TV ya Genshonga muri Kasese.